In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create an account in Salesforce quickly and efficiently. Whether you're new to Salesforce or just need a quick refresher, we'll guide you through this process with ease. So let's get started. First, you'll want to go to the app launcher within Salesforce. This is your main gateway to all the different parts of Salesforce you'll be interacting with. In the app launcher, you'll want to navigate directly to the account section. Think of the account section as a comprehensive database where you'll keep all the essential details about the companies and organizations you interact with. Once you're in the account section, you'll see a new button located in the top right corner of the screen. Go ahead and click that button. This will open up a new window where you'll be entering all of the necessary information for the account you're about to create. The next step involves filling in the key details of the account. The most important field here is the account name. This is a required field, so be sure to enter a clear and concise name for the account you are creating. It's helpful to use a format that's recognizable and consistent with other accounts you may already have in Salesforce. Beyond the basic account name, there are several optional fields that can provide further context and detail about the account. These include the phone number, website, industry, and type. While these fields are not mandatory, adding this information can greatly enrich your account records. Including the industry and type can be particularly helpful for future reference when you're searching for specific accounts or running analytics on your customer base. There's also an option to link new accounts to other records such as contacts or opportunities. While this step is optional, it can facilitate more seamless integration and interaction between the various elements in Salesforce. By connecting your new account with existing contacts or opportunities, you effectively centralize your information, making it easier to manage client relationships and communicate internally. Finally, after you've filled out all the necessary fields and any optional details you choose to include, simply click Save. This will create the account and it will now appear in your list of accounts, ready for you to access whenever needed. And there you have it, a quick and simple guide to creating an account in Salesforce. Remember, a well-organized account structure within Salesforce can greatly enhance efficiency in both managing and retrieving account information. Thanks for watching, and I hope this walkthrough has made the process clear and effortless for you. Be sure to check back for more useful Salesforce tips and tricks.